Kurathalan Sardar, and I have started making videos for making tarot card videos for the month and for the weekend in the later time. So this is for the Aries. This reading for the Aries for the month of April, and we will see that what we have in their personal lives, but what the person they think about is doing and thinking about him or her. So this tarot card is from Witches Tarot, and this is from the Fool, which we will use for the work and for their career guidance. Fine. So what do we have for a Five of Cups? Fine. So what do we have for the Aries for the month of April? What do we have for the Aries for the month of April? Guys, do pray for all the corona patients, and please remember everyone who is suffering in ongoing third wave of coronavirus, especially Indians who are suffering big from this third wave. And happy Ramadan to everyone around the globe. What do we have for the Aries for the month of April? What do we have Aries for the month of April in their love life? Okay, so I will put 9 cards for each zodiac sign, all in reverse. I will read reverse card as well. Okay, so for the month of April, what do we have? First of all, Five of Cups. The energy is so high, and we got the cup, 5 cup in reverse. That means your person is now coming out of disparity, and now they are moving towards the positivity. And there was something big happened in their life, which has now gone, and which they have dealt, and now they have gathered their strength, and now they have become more positive about you. And see, we have death card as well. That means reverse. So now they are all 3 reversal cards are highly uh, powerful, because all these 3 cards have the energies. These two are the major arcana. So these 3 cards are highly positive in this way, that these 3 comes in the reversal. So your person is quite positive right now. After a disaster, after something bad happened, now they are thinking good about you. So 7 of Pentacles, they are waiting, they are on the waiting mode. Now they are thinking that what should they do in their next move. So they are thinking and keep on thinking about their next move, and for this they want to hear something from your side, or they want to do something next with you. That is that is looking for, as 7 of Pentacles comes in the right way, in the it is not in the reversal. Hangman energy is the energy of waiting, but it comes in reversal. That means they have come out of the waiting. They are in the waiting mode, but they have come out of the hanged energy. The energy of the person is quite powerful right now, because they have come out of something big. They have come out of something big, a disaster kind of thing, and now they are in the waiting mood, and they are taking help from some spiritual or spiritual things. They are doing prayers, they are doing they are taking help from some spiritual people. They are going to some priest or some religious people. So, or they are doing their self meditation, their self prayer. They are highly they have turned out into, they have become self self sufficient right now. They believe in Allah or God or anyone that they believe in right now. So, King of Swords energy, that means now they have become very decisive. They have decided something, they have decided to take action on something, but in a very bold way, in a very bold manner. They want you to say something. They want to make their position clear to you. If there were some quarrel between both of you, or there was some situation that was not in favorable, now they want to make it clear with you, but in the energy of King of Sword. That means in a very calming way, not in a very calming way, but in a very decisive way, in a very clear way. They want to make things right. They want to clear the air between both of you. If there were some heated argument, now they want to make it right between both of you. And the hermit mode, they are in the hermit mode. They are in the no contact energy. So Aries, your person is in the hermit mode. The energy is no contact. So they might contact with you within few days, or they might be thinking or waiting to get some news from you. So this is something they want to expect from you. Queen of Cups is a very loving energy. This energy, along with the King of Swords, king and queen both are here. So this is a power couple. Queen energy, that means they are thinking in a very emotional way. They are thinking in a loving way. They are coming forward with a love offer, or they are coming forward with a very rational way, and then they make a loving offer. First they decide to make you, but they are very, they are very, they are in a thinking process where their decision will be the final decision. Whatever decision you both want to take, they will come forward with that decision, and then the offer will come. The offer that you have been waiting for is is at the arrival. And be open for the energies are very powerful. And um, and because your person has come across the point where they have nothing to lose. Whatever they have, they had everything happened. They have done a lot of trouble, and now they are at the point where they think that it is the time to take action. Otherwise otherwise they may lose something big, or that big thing or that big loss would be you. So be hopeful, Aries, and be kind when the communication would arrive. Be kind to you, be kind to your person, be kind to all the people around you. I am so much happy to start with Aries, because Aries is a very powerful sign. And I wish you all the best for this month of April. And I will come with the reading of career and your work life. But first, this is the leading for your personal life or your love life. So wait for the next reading. Till then, thank you so much for listening me, and thank you so much for uh, for for all the patience that you got, that you have for me, for my reading. And inshallah I'll be there with the next card reader. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.